Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes Seven is here. I got my hair cut, y'all. Okay. Yup. Nighttime vlog. Okay. It's dark out tonight. Yup. Look at the night skies. Y'all want to look at it with me? Look at the night sky, y'all. Okay. It's dark out tonight. It's a beautiful moon out somewhere. Somewhere around here. Downtown buildings of New Orleans, Marriott and Sheraton. Okay. I watched that I watched that movie Let's Do It Again, filmed here in New Orleans. I only saw the Marriott. I guess the Sheraton wasn't built yet. I assume it wasn't built yet. Okay. So the Sheraton wasn't built yet. I heard it was built in 1985 or something like that. Hmm. How y'all like my haircut, y'all? Just in time for my birthday. This nighttime vlog. Okay. Then my morning vlog on Facebook, but I'm not gonna do it on I'm not gonna do it on Instagram. Okay. Yeah. So I should be getting a new game capture card, a new television set. But the old television set is coming in here. I have it in my mother room temporarily because the other one that broke. So thank God this television right here still broke. I mean work. It works. It still work. All right. I mean it still work. All right. Should be coming on in a few. Yeah, you see that? Look. Video. Okay. Yep. No signal channel 4. Okay. I'll press this button right here. Says satellite, video, VHS, DVD. Uh, 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 yeah, this how I look back in the day. You know, I don't know why I'm playing with this TV. It works. Well, how would I watch TV on this television? Don't you worry. I will have it all figured out. Okay, I'll watch TV and he'll get a sofa set in this room. I guess if the law say the same. Yeah. All right. There we go. And then I enjoy myself I was about to say French Quarter Fest. I mean at Hunter Field with the Katrina march, second line in March, okay, March and second line or whatever. Meeting Hot Boy Ronald, Ricky B. Uh, it's not my first time meeting Cess 45. I met Cess 45 several times. Hmm I met Cessful Five several times. So that was his debut on my show. So I want to tell y'all 5 or 6 New Orleans artists made their first debut on the Domino 7 show. It would be very historical if BG, Juvenile, Lil Wayne, Birdman, Manny Fresh, Masterpiece Silk the Shaka. If C Murder get out of jail, I sure would like for him to appear on my show. That'll be a historic moment right there. Wild Wayne made an appearance on my show. If y'all watch my interview with him when we was on Ursuline and Broad by that barbershop. Okay. How many of y'all remember this? This Nintendo. Oh, all right. I got a message. Yeah. How many of y'all remember that poster? Okay. Yeah. Old school Nintendo. Yep. All right. So that's all to it. So instead of having a party at my house, my auntie gonna still come to this to this house for my birthday though. Have ice cream, cake, and pizza. I wish we'd had chicken with that, Okay, that's if my cousin Ricky. Well, I don't know. I can't put Ricky in that. Yes, indeed. So I must say, y'all, it's gonna be an excellent birthday, and plus, I'm gonna go out. Me and my brother gonna go out. Okay, me, my brother, and whoever else is gonna go out, and I'm gonna do my show while we out. Okay, yep, it's gonna be a birthday to remember. Okay, us going out to the Golden Corral. Okay, at least I got my hair cut, y'all. Okay. Yep. Smooth talk. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And to today's Dominique's birthday. Today's her mom's birthday too. Her beautiful mom. I haven't met her yet. Miss Tina. Okay. Happy birthday, Miss Tina. Happy birthday, Dominique Henry. Okay. So Dominique, she could sing real good, y'all. Okay. I wish she could make an appearance on my show, by the grace of God. I mean, today's September the 5th. And her birthday is today. God bless you, Dominique. I sure wish I could see you again, good friend. Okay. Oh well. And you know what? I said this earlier, but I'm gonna say it again. At least she could say I had my daughter on my birthday. That's what Miss Tina would say. I assume Miss Tina said that. I haven't met her yet. Okay, so she said my daughter is my birthday present. Because mother and daughter is a birthday on the same day, and that's a blessing. Rarely happens. Well, it happens either way around. Just like grandmother and granddaughter have the same birthday twice in this family. August the 18th and January the 27th or something like that. Who knows? Okay. Yeah, so that's all to it, y'all. Yeah, you know. So at least I won't have no drama on my birthday. We'll have ice cream cake, some pizza. Yeah, it's gonna be like a pizza party. Pizza party. Yeah, it's just gonna be a party of, let me see, of five. Just five. That's all to it. Thank you for the love and support of this video. Yeah, I'm seeing the emoji hearts. It would be great if Kirsten would have been here to sing happy birthday to me. And not only that, Dominique, Well, I want to say Iris Pete because I never had strong feelings for Iris Pete, but I almost did, if you know what I mean. Okay, Iris Pete, and her run name is Kathy. All right, so that's all I gotta say. Thank y'all for watching this show. Okay, this nighttime vlog, Facebook Live, Dominoes Seven's Facebook Live, nighttime vlog. All right, bye bye, y'all. See y'all when I see y'all.